Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about elements of news. One news on which parameter it is being decided that we will publish, we will broadcast. The parameters are the elements we will discuss today. The lecture will introduce the elements of news. After study the topic, a student will able to identify the news for further reporting. So, if you study properly, if you identify those elements, you will identify the news. There are various elements for news, the deciding factor, and let me read out: proximity, timeliness, human interest, prominence, and oddity. Apart from these, there are various small things which could be considered as elements, but these five elements are important while deciding the news. The first element is proximity. Proximity means the nearness, the closeness, the relationship of audience with their society, with the news. Suppose there is a news, Delhi metro drivers will go on strike tomorrow, or the current news about the farmers strike and they are trying to enter in Delhi. So if I consider these this news is important for persons living in Delhi NCR. So this relationship is proximity. Therefore, this if there is a proximity, we should include this as a prominent element of news. I hope I have clear. If not, we can give some more examples. Suppose there is a strike in Delhi, metro officials. The relationship of UK, one country, the persons they have no interest in Delhi strike. Therefore, the proximity decide this proximity is related with the audience. So suppose I'm living or I'm going to visit some place, and if there is something happening which will affect me or the society, this is obviously one very important element of news. This proximity doesn't mean that the only city you are living in or only village you are living in. This proximity has lots of relationship. Suppose you are living in India and government is deciding some unique rule or any other thing. So it means it is connected with you. It is happening near you. I mean, the impact of this story is related with you. Therefore, it is element. This is important for you. Likewise, suppose uh, Pakistan, Bangladesh, China, or any other our neighbor country is taking some decision which will impact the lives of any different country, maybe India or Sri Lanka or Maldives. So this proximity comes again as an element of news. Even there is boundary of country. Second important element of news is timelines. In timelines, the time is important. Suppose there is a news, there is a strike near your city or in your country, and it is happening now. So it is important. This is important element of news. Suppose the same news happened 1 year ago. So these timelines directly not related with the current scenario. Therefore, this is not good element. You should skip. or you can read newspaper, you always get news of contemporary time, the real time. But sometimes 1 year old story is also considered as a timeline of element. Let me give you one example. The CAA strike was happened in 2019, starting of 2019. But if something is happening right now, which you can correlate the story with old one, that could be one news. This is news. So timelines, you have to see that how it is connected with old. But normally we have to keep in mind that the current time, the whatever is happening recently is important as a timeline. The concept of breaking news you have seen on television. Whatever is important, that strikes in the mind of audience. Therefore, the importance of breaking news or the concept of breaking news introduced. So, what happened yesterday, it is being published in newspaper, but people or audience have a tendency to know the exact what is happening right now. Therefore, the introduction of live, the introduction of um, uh, breaking news is considered. So the as a journalist, you have to see that what is happening now is important, or maybe futuristic story is also important. But people are least interested what happened very uh, old time, which is not related with this time. Thank you. I prepared this PPT 3 or 4 days ago when everyone was, thinking about the ISL match between ATK East Bengal and Mohan Bagan. But today, when I'm recording this lecture, this story is old. The current story is Mohan Bagan won the match. So you have to see, you have to identify that how you can correlate the old story with new and how the new story is important. Human interest stories are important element of any news, and these are usually found in life and art section. So human interest stories basically soft news or feature stories, and that covers a person, a people, or one animal in emotional way. Suppose, let me give you one example. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is taking oath as a Prime Minister today. So his struggle, his life span, and other related stories could be come as a human interest story. Sometimes it doesn't mean that you are taking the VIP in your story. Sometimes a very small person who is doing a small bit of you know good job, you can pick up that story and publish in your newspaper or any other platform. In digital era, you can give, you have sufficient space and time, so you can publish the story. As I told that soft, these human interest stories are soft news, but I would like to tell that no other real news value it is associated. The next element of news is prominence. A well-known person, place, or event has a stronger news value. That something audience is not familiar with. So suppose you are expressing any aspect of already famous person, already famous place or event. This is important element to select any news. Like if you see the photograph, Prime Minister is famous. If you understand that any other aspect, that what kind of food he is taking, suppose there is some peculiarity, I'm assuming, I don't know, but suppose I'm assuming that you have came across that Prime Minister is taking every day in the morning 1 glass of lukewarm water for 30 years. What it shows, it became news. You can discuss with one expert of that field, and you can create a story. Likewise, sportsmen, film stars, of course, opposition members, those are famous. If you know anything special which is not uh, familiar, your audience is not familiar, you can select as a news. A guest speaker visiting your local elementary school to take over a story. Time doesn't resonate with many people unless that speaker is very famous. So, if someone is coming to a school and speaking about something, that is not going to be big story. But if he's famous, whatever he's saying, you consider their newspaper, television channels, they publish. I would like to show you the news story on published on the E-Times on 26 November. There is a story, Shilpa Shetty steps out with daughter Samisha. Photos of the mother-daughter duo are sure to melt your heart. So these stories are published by 2-3 newspapers on their online platforms. Why these stories are covered? Because they are, Shilpa Shetty is famous person. She is famous and she is coming out with daughter. There is no new things or no other news value except that they are famous. Conflict is one of the most important news element. You can select the news stories on the basis of their conflict, like news of sports, there is a conflict, news of war, there is a conflict, news of crime, there is a conflict, violence, internal disputes, or many more. Generally, the news of conflict also involve other news values as drama, oddity, and therefore these conflict element is encouraging to other type of elements. Audience has lots of interest to know about the conflict. That's why even if I talk about films, in every films the conflict is playing major role. But in news, you have to see, you have to report the conflict in fair and bias-free manner. That's why you have also to keep in mind that sensationalization should be avoided. There are three types of conflict majorly we cover. One, man's struggle with nature. Second, struggle between individual and organized society. And third is struggle between political and economical groups, war, campaign, strikes, etc. etc. When I started learning mass communication 20 years back, my teachers were taught me that when a dog bites a man, that is not an interesting story. It happens all the time. But if a man bites a dog, then that is news. So if you, putting weird stuff is called oddity, and that attract the attention of your viewers, your audience. and that is considered as a news elements. We have taken the help of Coursera, the MOOC course, and Multimedia Journalism by Killian and Francis book to present this presentation. Thank you so much, students. You have given your time and patience. I would like to add that if you want to more study or dig out about these elements of news, you can visit various websites, or the one activity, develop an eye to see the elements in stories. So read in news stories. While reading, you see what elements is being used. I'll request all of you to please send me on my email ID for any query and also the activity. Thank you so much.